In this video, I will test the best 1-minute scalping strategy by LuxAlgo to find out its real win rate. The creator mentioned that this strategy works really well on all markets, including crypto, stocks and Forex. So for my backtesting, I'm going to be using the price of GBP JPY on a 1-minute time frame, and I will set my initial account size at $1,000 with 2% risk per trade. Okay, now let's go ahead and add 3 indicators to the chart. So for the first indicator, we will search for SuperIchi and select this one by LuxAlgo. For the second indicator, we will search for Support and Resistance with breaks and select this indicator right here. And for the third indicator, we will search for RSI. We're not going to change the inputs on any of these indicators, which is going to change their style. So let's first double click on a SuperIchi indicator and make the backgrounds a bit more visible. Now let's access the RSI indicator settings and get rid of the RSI based MA, the middle level, and the RSI background fill. Okay, the strategy is complete. Now let's understand how these indicators work. So first, let's start with this Ichimoku cloud indicator. This indicator is a modification of the popular Ichimoku cloud indicator using the equally popular super trend indicator as its core, thus no longer entirely relying on calculations done over a fixed window size, but instead relying on an average true range and the trend direction method offered by the super trend. The SuperIchi indicator can be interpreted similarly to a regular Ichimoku, as it retains the components and aspects from this one. So generally speaking, when the price action is moving above the SuperIchi cloud and the cloud is green color, the market is in an uptrend. When the price action is moving below the cloud and the cloud is red, the market is in a downtrend. And when the price is closed inside the cloud, this indicates a ranging market. This indicator will serve us as a trend filter or as a secondary confirmation indicator. Okay, now let's move on to the second indicator, which is called the Support and Resistance with breaks. This script provides basic pivot points, support and resistance levels to the user whilst displaying break signal tags. It also has the ability to let the user display more significant breaks by filtering using the volume oscillator. This feature avoids noise and false signals. So every time the price action makes a significant breakout through the level of resistance or support, the indicator will print a green or red label. And based on these labels, we're going to be entering long and short trades. And finally, we have the RSI indicator on our chart. This tool will play a huge role when exiting a winning trade. When the indicator gets oversold, this is a signal to exit a winning short trade. And as soon as the indicator gets overbought, this is a signal to exit a winning long trade. Okay, now let's understand the exact rules for this strategy. So here are the conditions for entering a long trade. First, the price action must be closed above the SuperIchi cloud and the cloud must be green color. Second, the price action must create a bullish breakout. Such breakout is confirmed by the green label printed on a chart. It can say either bull wick or simply breakout. A buy order will be placed at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss will be set at the recent lowest price. And we're going to exit a winning trade as soon as we have the RSI line crossed above the 70 level. Let's take a look at one more long example. We see the price action is above the cloud is green color, and we had a signal to buy. Alright, now let's understand the conditions for entering a short trade. First, the price action must be moving below the cloud and the cloud must be red color. Second, the price action must create a bearish breakout, which is confirmed by the red label. The stop loss will be set at the recent highest price. And we're going to exit a winning trade as soon as the RSI drops below the 30 level. If you have a scenario where your strategy tells you to go short, but the RSI is already oversold, you still take that short trade. And exit the trade as soon as the RSI gives you a new exit signal. Okay, we can see that the strategy rules are very simple. Now let's start our backtesting to find out its true win rate. Alright, I just finished the backtesting and the results for the strategy are really good. The win rate is 69%, which is crazy high for a 1 minute scalping strategy, and we gained over 173% profit on our account after 100 trades. I found those 100 setups within 2.5 months. The profit factor for the strategy is 2.7 and we had 9 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses. The maximum drawdown is 7.76% and the largest profit trade we took made us 20% profit on our account. If you caught at least one trade like that per week, that would be absolutely crazy. By the way, this is only one currency pair. You can trade with this strategy on different ones and make even more money. You can also try to improve this strategy by adding a volume or a volatility indicator to the chart. This way you will make the strategy even safer. And if you want to make even more profits, you can add a different exit indicator. If you don't know which one to use, check out this video right here.